In this video, we will learn how to create YouTube channel on iPhone.
So to
So
create a
let's begin.
YouTube account on iPhone, the process is really easy and simple. First, make sure that you are connected with the internet. And once you are connected with the internet, the second thing is to make a YouTube account, you must have a Google account. That is your Gmail account. So if you have created one Gmail account, simply that is simply enough. And if you have not created your Gmail account or a Google account, simply first create your Google or Gmail account by simply going to your gmail.com and creating an account there. That is a really simple process. So once you have created your Gmail account, simply go and open your browser like I'm opening the Google Chrome browser. And here what you need to do is simply go and type in for am.youtube.com and go. So here we are. Now in case of Google Chrome, you need to tap on these three lines and here tap on request desktop site. On all the browsers, you must have an option to change to a desktop site. So you need to figure out where that option is. So once you have changed to desktop site, simply go and tap on this profile icon at the right top corner. And in case if you're not logged in, simply go and tap on login to your and simply go and enter your Gmail account credentials like password and email, and you will be logged into your YouTube account. So here what you need to do is simply go and tap on this profile icon and now tap on settings. So once you tap on settings, under the your channel, you need to tap on add or manage your channels. Tap on this. So once you tap on add or manage your channel, you would be redirected here. Now tap on create a new channel. Tap on this and you would be here. Now you need to enter the name of the channel you want to create. For example, I am going for testing. So once you have entered your channel name, tap on create. So this would redirect to the verification page. So here we are. Now you need to enter your number, that is your phone number, and you will be verified either through SMS as you want. You can select any option, SMS or voice call, and here you can select your country. And now you need to enter your number, and you would be verified through SMS or voice call as you select them. So they would send you a one-time password. Simply go and enter your number and select any option, tap on continue, and one-time password will be sent to you. Enter that on the next screen and your account or channel would be created. So hope it has helped you in creating your channel on iPhone on YouTube. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.